Hello everyone, today I will have an unboxing of the classic dome from BlackWolf. Quickly look at its unboxing and then see the detail of the quality of the product, and then we will set it up in the yard and show you guys how the thing look like. So let's start. So here's the bag. It's pretty heavy, given it's only for 6 people tank. Unzip it. Lifetime warranty spec sheet. Cardboard in it. Cut that out. There we go. And here's the tent. Unwrap it. It has the other pole in it. We got two or three, I can't remember. 2 or 3 or 4 of the pole, and then 2 flashing. And we quickly have a look at the zipper. There you go. And you can see pretty standard, the zipper. Nothing fancy. And there you go. This is the type of zipper, and this is the time of the another accessory. Then there's another one. Okay, that's the flash sheet. Is made with pretty okay material. We will set up later. Yeah, and this one is a bit tougher. We will see. And then back to the other accessory in here. Steady of thing. See, is slightly better. That's slightly better than the cheap ones in the market. Yeah. Yeah. Can you see the there are 2 of them, 2 or 3, I think. Yeah, there are actually 2, so yeah. Yeah. Here's how they look like. The black one. Yeah. Pretty okay. This is quite heavy. I think that makes the whole thing quite heavy. That's all. So I will set it up and then show you guys how the construction. Thank you.